seems like the whole time the ground feels a little bit shaky. Oh, oh, but lately my head is spinning around in a circle. I hear a whisper telling me to be brave. You better dive into the water. Into the water. You've been waiting too long. Get in the water. Into oh, dive into the water. Into the water. You've been waiting too long. Get in the water. Oh, 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 oh. Maybe this can feel a bit scary. You're close to the water. Hope your feet will be ready. But maybe you just need a little bit faith now. So you better step out and get a little bit wet. Oh, oh, dive into the water. You've been waiting to.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel for another cleaning video. Thank you so much for being here. For those of you who are new, thank you and welcome. My name is Cheyenne. I am a stay-at-home mom of 4 children. We do live in eastern New Mexico and did recently just purchase this home back in March. So I do hope you gained some motivation from my video today. On my channel, you will find videos, cleaning motivation videos. That's what I like to post. I do a cook and clean with me every now and then. So if you are interested in any kind of cook and clean with me and or a new recipe, definitely check out my most recent cook and clean with me. It's one of our favorite family recipes. We absolutely love it. Also, don't forget to say hey in the comments, and I am just going to let the music play for a little bit, and I may pop in here from time to time just to let you know what I am doing. So again, thank you so much for being here today. Decisions that you made, you have to take another leap. Close your eyes and believe me when I say, don't be afraid. Dive into the water. You've been waiting too long. Get in the water.
Another broken plate, another called off date. We never seem to get it right. Another heart attack, words that we can't take back. We are the reason opposites attract. Once you slam the door on the second floor, I regret it all. When I think it through, I can't help the way I feel for you. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the worst can sting. I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. By the phone, hoping you'll answer yours. Baby, let's talk until we're fine. You've been in bed for days, empty without me, you say. Can't you in mine. Then you knock on my door on the second floor, and I feel okay. We just made it through, and I love the way I feel for you. Baby, you make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the words can sting. I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Oh yeah. Still feels right. 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 Oh yeah. We never get it right, but somehow it feels right. We never get it right, but it still feels right. We never get it right, but somehow it feels right. That's how I feel about you. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the words can sting. I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Oh yeah. Still feels right. 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 Oh yeah.
I don't need no one to say you're complicated, 'cause I knew from the start this might be overrated. It's so typical, you wanna give it one more try, even though if your mind is telling you it's all a lie. Oh, I gotta wake up. This might be a breakup, 'cause I don't believe you when you say that you miss me. 'Cause where are your actions to prove me you're different? When I say I need you and you head the direction that's leading away from me, baby. I don't believe you, no. 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 One thing I love about you is your dedication. It got me dreaming at the station. On my way home, oh, I gotta wake up. This might be a breakup, 'cause I don't believe you when you say that you miss me. 'Cause where are your actions to prove me you're different?
So here you can see that I just spent some time cleaning my stove. I still had a little bit of stuck on bring, I guess you would call it, or some stuck on, whatever that is. I do need to get a little tool to scrape that off. I didn't really want to do it that day. I didn't have access to the tool. My husband knew where it was. So I just kind of let it go. I did scrub it and Windex it, and that's kind of how, I clean my stove. Most of the time, I usually just clean that thing with some Lysol wipes or some method cleaner. So I don't go too crazy on it. This was like the one day where I was like, the stove is looking pretty bad. We need to really scrub this guy. So, but later down the road, I'll probably end up, grabbing the tool and scraping off all the extra burnt parts. Okay, so I did want to address this utility shelf. This is technically our pantry. We do keep some stuff on it. like extra beverages. I don't have a beverage fridge and or a pantry in this kitchen. Later down the road, maybe we'll put a pantry in, but for now, this is what we have. This space was actually supposed to be for a coffee bar. I've yet to find a kind of cabinet slash table that I want to put in here, and the one that I do want will not fit in this kitchen. So, anyways, I did also want to mention is, can you spot the headband in my video? Headband. I can't even talk today, you guys. So the headband was in there quite a bit of, a few times while I was filming, and I was like editing this, and I'm like, why is that a headband in there? Was I like just too lazy to go take it and put it in my daughter's room, or was I too lazy to stick it in the junk drawer or something? Every now and then I accumulate a lot of her hair items, like her ponytails or headbands or whatever the case, and I just kind of throw them in the junk drawer. So when I go and declutter, I'm like, hey, look at all these scrunchies and headbands I just found in my junk drawer. Why are they in my junk drawer? Anyways, I thought that was super funny. Let me know how many times you can spot the headband in this video in the comments below.
Oh, I gotta wake up. This might be a breakup. 'Cause I don't believe you when you say that you miss me. 'Cause where are your actions to prove me you're different? When I say I need you and you head the direction that's leading away from me, baby. I don't believe you, no. I don't believe you, no, no. I don't believe you, 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 no, no. 'Cause I don't believe you when you say that you miss me. 'Cause where are your actions to prove me you're different? When I say I need you and you head the direction that's leading away from me, baby. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, you're good at making me lose my mind, but I always come around, don't I? And I know sometimes I'm bringing you down, but I always make you smile, don't I? We're like the waves on a big blue stormy sea. But still you're the one who brings out the best in me. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, it's never getting boring when we keep aiming for the stars, just you and me. We always get back up again. You and me. Baby, you and me. There's no one else who can make me feel like I can do anything I dream of, but
So I did mop the floors on this day, and I was so proud of myself that I was like, yay, I was able to mop the floor all by myself without any help. I know it seems like a silly thing to be excited about, but when you struggle with back pain as bad as I do, I can sometimes barely stand when when my pain shot doesn't work. So I do get really excited about things like that sometimes. Like I said, I'm trying to milk that pain shot for all I can and just get as much filming as I can done, and it feels really, really good, you guys. But anyways, moving forward, I wanted to mention that I'm just never able to get into the hallway or my bedroom. And then by the time I go and I want to film in my bedroom, I'm so tired that I just kind of don't care about what I'm filming in my bedroom. I get as far as like making the bed and then I turn the camera off and I'm like, I'm done for the day. But I don't know what it is. I guess I'm just too busy or I run out of time. By the time I'm done with the kitchen on most days, I have to stop and go pick up the kids, and then I go pick up the kids and then I come home and I have to make dinner. So it's kind of like after dinner, I'm just kind of like too tired. I have to still deal with the dinner dishes and whatever else I have that is going on in the house, and that's fine and stuff. I would really like to film a video where you guys get to see the entire house cleaning, and I'm going to try my best to do that soon for you guys. Sometimes it's just not possible, but that's okay, right? Only only do what you can handle that day. Don't overwork yourself, and that's what's important. So, at least the kitchen's getting clean, which is the most important area in our homes because we are consistently in there every day. So, that's okay. But anyways, I am going to go ahead and stop the video here. I do hope you guys gained tons of motivation from today's video. And also, I hope to see you guys in my next video as well. And don't forget to comment, say hey in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free for you. And I would really, really love for you to join my YouTube family. And until next time, thank you so much. And I'll see you in the next video.
We can fight all day and make love at night, 'cause we always figure it out, don't we? Yeah. And we're like the waves on a big blue stormy sea.